How to get red wine stains out of wood. In this article I will go over how to get red wine stains out of wood. Wooden floors, cutting boards, furniture and other pieces can make your home look absolutely stunning and comfortable. However, wood is one of those materials that need to be handled with care, as it can get stained easily. Cleaning agents used to get rid of stains and marks on other materials cannot be used on wood. If you are looking at some effective tips to get strong marks like red wine stains out of wooden objects in your home, keep reading to know more about the same. How to get red wine stain out of wood cutting board. When you notice red wine stains on wooden surfaces like cutting boards and the like, here is an effective tip you can try to remove the stains completely. Apply some salt on the red wine stain marks. Scrub the salt-filled stains well with half a lemon. Scrub well until you see the stains lifting. Rinse the area and dry it as per your normal cleaning routine. You can repeat the process if you notice stubborn red wine marks on the wooden cutting board after drying. How to get red wine stains out of wood table. How to get red wine stains out of wood furniture like a table or a chair. You might find yourself thinking about this question a lot after a party. A bottle of white vinegar will come in handy for you. In this case, here is how you can use the vinegar to get rid of red wine stains on your wooden tables and other furniture pieces. Make a solution by mixing about 3 parts of water and 1 part of white vinegar. Soak a clean and soft cloth in this solution. Lay the soaked cloth over the red wine stains on your wooden table. This will help the acidic properties of white vinegar to absorb the stain marks from the furniture. Lift the cloth once every 10 minutes to check if the stain marks have started to lift. Once the cloth is fully soaked with red wine stains from the table, you can use another fresh cloth to repeat the process until all the stains have come off easily. How to get red wine stains out of wood door. Mix a small quantity of mild dishwashing liquid in water and mix well to see the foam forming. Dip a soft and clean cloth in this foamy liquid and swish the cloth well. Wipe the stain marks on the door gently with this cloth. Rub gently to see the stains lifting off. Dip a soft cloth in cool water and wipe off the remnants of the foamy liquid from the door. How to remove red wine stain from unfinished wood. When you notice red wine stains on unfinished wood, you can get rid of them using an oxygenated cleaner or scouring powder. Here is how you can use them. Get a good brand of oxygenated cleaner powder from the market and mix some of it with water to make a thick paste. Apply the paste on the stained areas. After 15 minutes, clear the paste to see if the stains have lifted. Repeat the process for stubborn stains. If using scouring powder, scrub the stained areas on unfinished wood with a generous quantity of the scouring powder. Rinse quickly to get rid of the remains of the powder. How to remove old wine stains. You can remove dried or old wine stains from wood when you use the right ingredients as below. Mix about 2 tablespoons of baking soda with some mineral oil to make a thick, damp paste. If baking soda is not available, you can make a paste using 1 tablespoon of Roddenstone and about 1/4 teaspoon of linseed oil. Whichever paste you use from the above two, allow it to sit on the red wine stains for about 30 minutes, before you clean it with a soft cloth. The stains would have completely lifted by now. How to remove red wine stain from pine table. Pine wood doesn't need any special treatment when compared to other types of wood. The methods we mentioned in the above sections can be used for getting rid of old and fresh red wine stains from pine tables as well. Frequently answered questions. Does red wine come out of wood? Yes, red wine comes out of wood when the right cleaning agents are used. White vinegar, liquid detergent, baking soda, salt, etc. are some simple ingredients that you can use in different ways to lift the wine stains from wood. How do you get red wine stains out of wood? There are many ways to get rid of red wine stains out of wood. The method that is most suitable to you will depend on the freshness of the stain and the type of wooden object the stain is present. Cutting boards, tables, doors, floors and the like. Can you remove dried red wine stains? Yes, baking soda is a very effective ingredient in getting rid of dried red wine stains. The key is to leave the baking soda paste to sit on the stains for about 30 minutes to allow it to work its magic and lift the stains. How do you get red wine rings out of a wood table? Soaking a cloth in white vinegar and laying it over the wine stains on a wood table for about 10 to 15 minutes is a good idea to get rid of the red wine rings quickly. Additional cleaning tips and advice. When using cleaning agents like baking soda or Roddenstone, please be careful as they have mild abrasive properties. Always test the ingredients on a small, inconspicuous surface before you try it out on a large wooden area. Grated pumice and baking soda can also be used along with salt to get rid of red wine stains safely and quickly. Pour the salt over the stains and allow it to sit for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, remove all traces of salt. Make a paste by mixing grated pumice and baking soda in a ratio of 2 to 1. Add a 1/4 cup of lemon oil to this paste. Apply this paste over the stain marks and let it sit there for about 10 to 20 minutes. Before you wipe the paste clean, the stains would have gone by now. For fresh red wine stains, always use a clean cloth to blot as many stain marks as possible before you try different cleaning agents.